traders, welcome to E-mini Thunderdome. Today is the last day of August 2022, so August 31st. If you're new to this channel, we are a channel that streams live ES and MES future trading. If you do follow any of my trades, you're doing so at your own risk. I'm not liable for any losses or damage. So I'm already long. It looks like the market wants already to go and tag 20. I started with 3 and then I added. Now I'm up to 7. Hopefully we'll not get a pullback here at the opening. But market has stayed mostly above 4,000. Alright, let's go over our numbers real quick. So POC moved down from 4,035 to 39.96. Short targets 39.85, 39.64, 39.54, which was a solid target yesterday, but never went. At the end of the day, I took a trade and I was trying to go there, but I saw that it started to weaken out, so I started to go long. Then we have 39.20, 39.12, and 38.98, and long shot 38.68. Long targets were already above it, so it was 4,007. Next is going to be 420, which is going to be my first scale, and then 428, which is going to be my second scale, and then 446, and I'm trying to exit at 443 with my runner. And if we could pass that, then we'll either see a 57 or a 64. So 4,064 is my target, and then that elusive 4,073, which I've been trying to hit that since Monday. And then if we could pass that, it'll be 4,078, and long shot will be the 4107. Kind of low. I'll put the mic closer. The fan is on, so I don't want to have you guys deal with the fan. All right, here we go. Then we have support at 39.60 and 39.50. Resistance, now it may turn into support, is 4,000, 4,010, and 4,050. So highest that we may go today could be that last scale of mine at 40.45, but it could go to 73 and then bounce back down and close under that, right? Talk about that every day. It's not doing RTH. Resistance support is where it closed at the end of the day. So yesterday, what was it? I think 4,000 was support, and then it turned into resistance because the market closed under 4,000. But it looked close at the end of the day. It looked like it was gonna close above, but it looked like the bears were trying to make a point. Okay, let's look at some scenarios real quick. They have changed a little bit since I've made them because we are above, but line in the sand is gonna be 15. If we could pass that, definitely go to 20 and then above. So scenario 1, which we are now, we could fail here and go down to 63 and then down to 39.20. Scenario 2, go down to 63 sideways and then work our way back to 20. Scenario 3, go down to 85 up to 15 and then close under 4,000. And then scenario 4, just scream up all the way to 73 or just drop like an anchor to 20. And that's what happened yesterday, right? It just started to drop non-stop. So, but I think we are done with the downside. Otherwise we would have been either at 39.50 or under 4,000. So if you guys look at a overnight, you look at an overnight, market has spent most of its time above 39.90. Okay, so to me that is a sign that we are starting to see a pullback towards Friday's lost ground. Could be wrong, never know. Trading is random, so you never know. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hope the sound is better now. The mic is pretty close to my face. Yeah, that's all I have. Let's look at reports. There's not much as far as major movers as far as report. We had the ADP non-farm at 5:15, so that is gone. So next we have Chicago PMI, which doesn't really move much, and then we have crude inventory at 7:30. So nothing really big. The only thing big is for the overnight traders. It's China's CPI at 11:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's it. All right. Heat map hasn't updated yet, obviously because the market is closed. And that's all I got, guys. That's all I got. So I started along at 07, started adding, so my average price has moved up. I wish I was at 5. That's when I was looking at it. That's when I wanted to initiate my long, was at 5. We have a POC at 5.75. Oh, it just lowered. Okay, now it's at all right, now it's at 4.50. Oh, it moved up again now. Now it's at 6. So they are buying or they're clearing. Right now it's at 6.25. So we just moved back up again. All right, come on, move. All right, and then we have VWAP at 403. So looks like we may have some things, we have POC and VWAP as support, so hopefully it will hold up my trade here, but I'm already getting negative here and I don't like it. I don't want to start with a loser, but there is a ledge here at 39.75. I think I'm gonna go and split this, and I'm gonna put either 2 or 3 at 30 at 95.25. Let's see here. Let's see how I'm gonna split this. So 95 is the high value area of yesterday, so it may want to tag that. This trade was looking good, and then I started adding, and now I have a horrible entry. All right, now I'm not happy with this trade anymore. I'm only long 1 ES, but I'm already risking 4,000. All right, hopefully it'll bounce off of VWAP. POC move down again. Hold.
Market volume stop sell.
Don't want to move my stop.
ESU2. Market volume stop sell.
Come on, come back up, come back up. Let's see if 4,000 holds. Looks like we're finding some buyers here. And no, it's not gonna hold. All right. Wow.
Yes.
Whoa!
Market volume stop sell.
Wow. That was some drop. Meltdown right at the opening. Alright, it should find, if it's gonna stay to the upside, it should find support here at 95. So, first stat is in. We are at overnight POC. Not overnight POC, I'm sorry. Yesterday's volume area high. So that's the first tag. All right, I'm gonna start. I am on a long bias. Well, let's see if it could hold here. All right, I'm gonna start looking for longs again, but need to see that
Buy volume spike.
VWAP fail.
Yes, YouTube.
Not VWAP, I'm sorry.
Spike.
The mid. Well, I was long at 07, and then
Yes, YouTube.
I started to
Sell
add,
volume spike.
and as I added, it took me up to 08. I just saw the market staying above, well, this is not an ETH, but if you look in ETH, it looked like there was a lot of support at 403, and that's why I decided to go long. But not expecting this meltdown, but market is still positive. All right, we are at yesterday's pivot high at the close. Let's see if we can find support here. So I'm looking for a launch. What a meltdown right at the opening. That is a move. Gonna have to start rethinking my
Yes, YouTube.
position here maybe.
Yes, YouTube. Buy volume spike.
And the delta is negative. Right, looks like some buyers are starting to come in, but nothing clear yet.
Yes, YouTube.
It may
Sell volume spike.
want to tag yesterday's RTH cash close and bounce off of that. So again, I'm still on the long side. But now we're gonna have to see how, if it starts to go long, how it's gonna react at 4,000. All right, that trade hurt. I'm already negative about $700. Oh man, that sucks. All right, chasing mode on.
Yes, YouTube.
Not what I want
Sell
to
volume spike.
see happen at the last day of the month, especially after being tight yesterday.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop
Yeah,
sell.
it's yesterday's cash close.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop sell. Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop sell. ESU2 by volume spike.
All right, here we go. Starting to see a little bit of weakness here. So what looks like we are seeing scenario 1, right? All from 410 all the way down to 63, bounced a little bit, and then 39.
ESU2 by volume spike.
Let's see how it reacts to 92. Otherwise, I'm going to start looking for a long. Or this could be the area to go short. Yeah, since I'm still on the long bias, I may lose an opportunity if the market goes short.
ESU2 by volume spike.
So I'm looking for a long at 94.50. I'm going to take it already. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see how it reacts to the mid.
Market volume stop buy.
I'm going to put the stop at 87.75. Come on, come on. Need to pass this first zipper.
Market volume stop buy.
So it looks like it's trying to find support at yesterday's cash close.
ESU2 market volume stop buy.
All right, I'm gonna go and try. Oh, it's a 5 lot, so I was gonna go and clear 2 at 05, 4005, but this is a solid 5 lot. Oh man, look at that. That zipper looks like it's holding. I can't risk anymore, so I'm not gonna move my stop. Come on, launch. Oh, POC moved down, so market's accepting lower prices. Actually, I need to clear all of them. Clear all nodes. I'm gonna start fresh here. I didn't. All right, we are at 92.75 is the current point of control. All right, we need to pass 95. Is the line in the sand is 95. Market still positive, so I'm going with the grain. It's gonna see how the market reacts with the mid. Is gonna be the clue.
ESU2 market volume stop buy.
Here we go. Stop. So we have that first report out in 5 minutes. Here we go. Come on, keep going, keep going. We need to pass opening price. That is going to be the key, and now we got to deal with VWAP at 4,000. So if I see no resistance here, I may add 2 more here. I'm going to see how it deals with. Here we go.
ESU2. Buy 3.
They're buying. They're buying. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Let's see how it deals with opening price here. I'm gonna split my my stop. Just in case it crashes here, I could always re-enter. Actually, 95 and a quarter. 95 and a quarter. Come on, baby. Go, go, go. Looks like they are buying.
ESU2. Buy volume spike.
Come on, we need to hot knife right through the opening. Oh, I need to do my extension range. I haven't done that in a couple of days.
ESU2.
Keep
Sell volume spike.
forgetting to do that. All right, gonna have to look away here. Don't want to look away. Come on. Ooh. Getting a little bit of a pullback here. It may be looking for support at the mid. Do not want to see a 93. I'm going to be looking to add again. Oh, it's bouncing. It's trying to find support. I am not sure if you can or not, my friend. I have never traded futures. Well, I have traded futures with Think or Swim, but I stopped doing that because it's full margin. Those guys want full margin. So I'm not sure if you can or not. All right, come on. Now we need to pass. Opening price. They're trying to stop it. They're trying to stop this market from going higher. Well, I think the ES I think is 500, and the MES with Rhythmic is 250. ES is always more. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, I need to, now I'm solid at 1 here. I need to split this. What a nice move, huh? Wow. All right, I'm back at positive big time here. All right, how am I gonna do this? I'm gonna let that run. I need to make some of this money back here. So, all right, I need to get back to looking at the charts here. Whoa. Hold on. Wow. So it looks like every step of the way, they're going to hit it hard again. It was like this on Monday. Every step up, they kept on hitting it hard. So looks like we may see a replay of that, because we hit an iceberg here at 13,566. Oh, actually, I forgot to do a gap.
Buy volume spike. ESU2, market volume stop buy.
Come on, baby, come on, keep going, keep going. All right, so solid moves here from, you need to count this as a solid move. This was just zipper, 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 finding resistance, and then solid move up. Responsive selling, solid move up, initiative buying. So 2 initiative strong buying sweeps all the way up. That has to mean something, or it's a squeeze. So now we're gonna need to see how it's gonna deal with 20. It could all end at 20.
Unfortunately, yes. ESU2, buy sweep.
It could all end at,
Market volume stop buy.
and now we need to see how it's ooh, buy. All right, buy sweep followed by a sell sweep followed by a 1600 iceberg.
ESU2, market volume
They do
stop
not
buy.
want this market to go higher. All right, I'm already up 1,600 bucks. That's yeah. So I'm about $1,000 profitable already.
ESU2, market volume. ESU2, buy
Come on,
volume
keep
spike.
going. Oh, big old buy sweep. All right, I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm gonna go at 1975 here. It could all end up here. So don't want to be greedy. Come on, baby. So we're looking for our first stat. Markets are gonna make a new low or a new high. That is gonna be the first stat. You never know. It could just end here and boom. It's dropped right on our faces, right? So I'm gonna have to move all of my stop to
Market
entries.
volume stop buy.
But very good tell that that market was at 18 on the overnight. We had lots of reasons to go down to 39.20 yesterday, or at least test 50, and we didn't. So to me, I think that the market thought that all of that was very cheap. All right, so this is a responsive selling to the iceberg. Now we just need to find support.
Volume stop sell.
All right, hit the overnight value area high. So all these stats are out of the way. We hit the overnight POC. We hit the yesterday's value area high. So the only thing that's left here is to make a new high and then start doing IBs. All right, need to hold this. We need to go hot knife right through that iceberg. So we have in favor that there was a buy sweep followed by a sell sweep. So on this side of the trade, we need to see sell sweeps, not buy sweeps. Come on, baby. Get me out. All right. I was going to say I am tempted to move up my ES, but I'm going to use that as trading chips. I'm going to exit the ES and probably not trade the ES anymore. And I'm just going to keep that as collateral, as margin, just in case I start to screw up and start making some bad decisions. I have the ES as backup. Bom dia. All right, come on. Get me out. Get me out, baby. Get me out.
ESU2 by volume spike.
All right, seems like we're having a hard time here. They don't want to see it. Do not want to see a test of the opening again. I want to see half a rotations. Or maybe a full rotation, but I do not want to see any 10 pointers. So I do not want to see an 05. Market needs to start finding support here. We're still negative on the delta. Come on, launch. Let's go. We need to pass 17. Come on, here we go. Here we go. Finding buyers again. Hot knife right through 17, baby. Hot knife right through 17. Let's go. All right, either we just had someone clear or we found more buyers. Just had a bid of 177. All right, starting to get scared out of this trade. Or it could be an opportunity to add more at opening price. It all depends how you look at it. All right, I'm gonna split the. Oh, I can't split that. I was gonna go and move to 30.29. Do not want to see a test of opening price. That is a no bueno. All right, come on. Hopefully that bid is buying, not clearing. Now the zipper's getting even larger.
ESU2 sell volume spike.
Here we go, here we go. Looks like it's finding support at 11. Oh, POC moved up big time. All right, that's a good sign. Just don't want to see a retest of prior. Now we are at 40.12. So moved up. Moved up. Oh, it had already moved up. So it went from 93 to to 4,075, and now we're all the way at 12. So market usually likes to come down a little bit and to make sure that we are not overpriced. But this is no good.
Yes, YouTube. Market volumes.
All right, we are a VWAP. Let's see. Maybe add some more here. I am tempted. All right, I may add. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna add more up here. Come on. Come on, launch, launch, launch. This could be a horrible ad. Why? Because that is where POC is, so we could see a bounce off of that. But it looks like it's finding support. So finding support right here. That would be the launch. Choom, all the way up.
Yes, YouTube.
I'll be looking to move the 2 to 29. All right, I need scene 11. Come on, launch, launch, launch. Here we go. It's finding support. Looks like it found support at 05. Oh. That freaking iceberg. Oh, POC has lowered. This could be good. Maybe it will go in test prior.
Yes, YouTube. Buy volumes.
This looks like the launch. But so far, nothing is really clear. But POC has lowered. Now we are at 0850. Wow. So they sold at the 08. Yeah, this is no good.
Yes, YouTube. Sell sweet.
Oh. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yes, YouTube. Market volumes top sell.
All right, I am not gonna move my stop. That's it. Either we find support here, or I may have to start looking at shorts maybe. That damn little iceberg.
Yes, YouTube. Sell volume spike.
Wow.
Yes, YouTube. Market volumes top sell.
We should have found some support here. POC moved down. All right, I regained some of my ES, so now I'm only negative
Yes, YouTube.
about
Market volumes top sell.
$400. So I made 300 of my money back. This is no good. Wow. Full pullback. This is insane. That damn iceberg. And here we are under 4,000 again. We may get,
Absorption, yes.
yeah, it has to stop here, has to find support here. This is the support area. All right, I'm gonna go long again. Looks like it's bouncing. Looks like this was the entry. Right here, launch. Come on, come on. Let's go. We had a sell sweep right here. That was a sell sweep. This could be the launch. Need to pass hot knife right through POC and VWAP. Wow, not expecting that at all. It should have held. So now this is a long shot. All right, if I get stopped out here, I'm gonna have to rethink longs. But it looks like this is the launch. All right, let me make sure that this stop is safe. I should really be at 90.75, but that is too rich.
ESU2, market volume stop buy.
Yeah, that was very nasty. That was a freaking
ESU2,
iceberg.
sell volume spike.
Someone cleared all of that. Yeah, all of this move here, they cleared up there. So that bid was a clear. And I called it. I said it's either someone clearing or someone buying. And it looks like it was clearing. So then it created a hopefully a responsive selling. So hopefully this is all response from the iceberg, not initiative. All right, I'm gonna see if I can go and add here somewhere. Could I add at I'm gonna add at 5. Let's see if we can clear 5. Only gonna go for a 2 lot. POC lowered again. Now we are at 97.75. So market needs to, not market, buyers need to think that this is cheap.
Sell volume spike.
All right, I'm gonna give myself a little more room here. We just saw a buy sweep. Wow, this is, wow. Full retracement. All right, this is gonna be my last long if I get stopped out. Because now we're spending more time underneath the opening, right? So need to take that into consideration. We're underneath the opening at least 60% of this IB. but we are still positive. But delta right now, it's almost 3,000 negative. That is horrible. All right, getting a whole bunch of buy sweeps here. All right, back to being negative.
ESU2, market volumes top sell.
I was 600, now only 500. Hot knife right through POC. Come on. Yeah, they're trying to stop it. They just sold right at POC. Yeah, the key level is to stay above opening price, above 4,000. Good for you. Yeah, the short was right here at 10 actually. All right, hopefully I'm not, well, I'm not stuck in the bias anymore, because I said this is gonna be my last long. So, but I gotta say, I did get stuck on the bias here. This looks like was a stop pick right here. Need to start migrating up, otherwise we're gonna be, if you're long, we're gonna be on the side of doing IB low. But we have seen the market migrate all the way through IB to do the opposite, right? So you never know. So looks like this is the line in the sand here. Yeah, it looks like it is very crazy right now. All right, here comes another hit. Man. That iceberg just changed the whole momentum. All right, we are at 76. We don't find any buyers now. This is it. I think we are. Yeah, we're actually under. So it's either now or never. So may start looking for 64 as a target. Or it could do a double bottom here and find buyers, but I can't risk it. Oh man. I'm gonna give myself one tick here. Maybe the zipper here will hold right there. But I am at my max. Negative almost 800. Yeah, struggling. Every step they go up, they sell. Just like Monday, struggling to find buyers. POC lowered again. Oh, and it rose back up again. So now we're again at a 97. All right, let's see how we deal with the mid. Mid and opening price is the line in the sand. Right here, this is what's gonna dictate the direction of the market. VWAP at 02. This is a solid move, guys.
Market volumes top 5.
Solid move, but let's see if we find buyers or sellers here. Needs to bounce off of 98. We do not want to see 94. We see a 94. It's a downside market. Needs to bounce off of a POC, which is a 97.75. That's your stop, or you went short? I think it's finding support. I would be careful with shorts. I think we're finding support here at 98, but it could break any second. $93 is going to be the line in the sand. 93, 94. Wow, look at this. So this could be responsive, and here initiative selling. Yeah, wow. Bears want nothing to do with above 4,000. 4,000 is the key level.
ESU2, sell volume spike.
So anything, yes, it's just like yesterday. Anything under 4,000 will make the market very volatile. Oops, they don't want to do that. Wow.
ESU2, market volume stop sell.
That just kicked my ass. All right, so spending more time under.
ESU2, market volumes top sell.
Yesterday's close. Here is our first target, 85. Just hit. Double bottom. I'm not a big double bottom guy. Well, the puts are there because they want to bring the market down there. So it acts like a magnet.
ESU2, sell volume spike.
Double bottom. This low actually looks very strong. So, but oh man, I do not want to be stuck on a long bias here. But we do have a solid low on the RTH here. This one is weak, but the original one is solid. But TPO looks very weak. It does look like it needs to be extended. Yeah, I'm still on the long side, but oh man, I don't want to make this a
Buy volume spike.
right. If I see a 95, I'm going to start looking at longs again. But most of the puts are at 4,000 on the SPY. They're at 400. This could have been a stop pick, go short.
Absorption, yes.
Absorption. Sell here. This could be the launch. One more try here. One more try. One more try. Come on. Show me a 99. Hopefully this is not a stop pick. Good trades, Richard. Good for you. You are on the winning side. And I'm just getting my ass kicked here the last day of the month. Should have been more aggressive yesterday.
Yes, you too. Buy volume spike.
Hopefully this is the launch right here. I'm gonna look to add. As they say, stop. It's not over till the fat lady sings.
Yes, you too. Sell volume spike.
Let's do it. That's right. That's right. So I'd like to see it pass 4,000, then I'll start thinking about adding, but I cannot add now.
ESU2, sell volume spike. ESU2,
I be over
volume spike.
in 10 minutes. Like to see the market start migrating at least halfway. Otherwise, it's a no-brainer that it's going to extend IB low. POC still a 97.75, so need to pass POC and then VWAP, which is at 4,000. $99 could also be adding area, but I would be afraid of opening price and the mid.
ESU2, sell volume spike.
I think it would be a mistake. POC lowered again, so hopefully someone that's short just cleared, and which will create a vacuum for a launch. But they are trying to block it right here. Do not want to see an 87. See an 87 is all over. I'm not even watching that. I'm scared of the NQ. But NQ's positive big time. Well, 50 points. Buyers need to come in now. Do not want to see the market go negative. If it goes, it's going to go at least negative to 80 points. I mean to 39.80. POC has lowered to 93. Yeah, I need to start rethinking shorts here. This is not.
ESU2, sell volume spike.
Yeah. We're spending most of the time underneath opening price. I am tripping big time here.
ESU2, buy volume spike.
Triple bottom. If this is not support, it's a launching pad to go south. So I'm gonna start thinking of shorts now. But this is a, yeah, this is a triple bottom. This could find a lot of retailers going long here. Oh, I'm tempted to go long again. Yeah.
ESU2, sell volume spike.
Let's go. Let's go. But I'm still on the long bias. I am still long, even though I'm getting my ass kicked here on the longs. I'm getting killed in the chop. Come on, baby, let's go. These guys started early this morning. This could be the launch for a long. First target, the short. Yep. It's a solid long. All right, guys, I think I'm done. I'm on my maximum here. Got killed in the chop. Yeah, I think so too, but I don't want to be stuck on a long bias. But I'm still, and here we go. It's long. Ah! All right. This will be my last trade. This will be my last trade.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop buy.
This is it. Otherwise, I'll see you in September. Otherwise, I'll see you in September. God, this August has just been dragging. Just wanting August to be over. Yeah, VWAP is all the way up at 4,000. This is not how I wanted to end my August, let me tell you. Triple bottom. Alright guys, looks like I'm done. Wow, worked so hard yesterday to not get my ass kicked, and here I am. Yeah, anything under 4,000 is wow. That was a major sell. All right, guys, I'm done. I am done. I'm gonna still look at the market and maybe I'll come back on, but I am 2,200 negative. Oh my God. That sucks. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, you called it. You did call it. Yeah, we are 4,500 negative on the delta. Yeah. Yeah, 80 was a very contested number yesterday. And look at these guys. Oh, full on. Yeah. All right, guys. I may come back on. Obviously, I'll still watch, but I need to go for a walk. I need to refresh my mind. Otherwise, I'll start to FOMO and revenge trade. Don't want to do that. I need a clear mind if I'm gonna even think about making my money back. Yeah, I fell for the chop. I fell for the overnight being above 4,000. This looks exactly like Friday, right? Market was 4,200 and boom, they just sold off and it went all the way down. Yep, this looks exactly like Friday. Just squeezing. Yeah, we're above 4,000. Keep buying, keep buying. Boom. But the clue was that iceberg, and the buy and sell sweep was actually one sell and two buys. So the two buys was with the iceberg was the clue that we were overbought. And I thought it was gonna go and stop at the mid, and boom, just kept going. And I was counting also on this move up, which I thought it was solid. And no, just fell from the sky. All right, guys, maybe I'll see you guys a little bit later, or otherwise I'm done. Não, tô fora. I'm out. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you. Oh, for you guys in Europe, if you don't know, if any traders in Europe or in Asia, Monday is a holiday here in the US, so no trading on Monday. It is considered the last day of summer. So no trading on Monday, and is there anything on Sunday? I can't remember if the market opens on Sunday or not. It may open Sunday and close early on Monday, but it's a holiday. All right? Thank you all. Hopefully you took the opposite of my trades and you didn't lose any money. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you live in the Thunderdome.